Principles of insurance. The first principle of insurance is utmost good faith. So whenever a person or a business decide to take insurance policy, they will have to fill in an application form that is called proposal form. Whenever you fill in the proposal form, you have to show utmost good faith. That means all the material facts should be disclosed truly. You should not hide anything. Suppose if you are hiding some material facts, and after some times, if it comes too late, what will happen? If the insured event occurs, it will affect the payment of compensation. So, we have to show utmost good faith at the time of taking an insurance policy. The second one is insurable interest. See, you should have an interest for what? For not to take place the risk. If unfortunately if it takes place, you have to be compensated. So you should have an insurable interest for not to take place the risk. So if you are taking insurance against a fire, you should think that okay, it should the fire should burn down everything. No. If unfortunately fire takes place, you have to be compensated. So with the intention of making a profit, you are not allowed to take insurance. So it is, and another thing, if the insured event happens, you should suffer from a loss or a liability should take place. Then only you will be compensated. Otherwise, the people what they will do, they will be taking insurance in the name of in the properties of somebody's. So I have a question. Suppose you have got a beautiful neighbor. So you cannot take insurance in her name. Because what is your relationship with her? Suppose if your neighbor is your business partner, you are allowed to take insurance. So you should have, this is the second principle, you should have an insurable interest. Then the third one is indemnity. Indemnity means, see, the insurance is for indemnifying the risk. It is for compensating. Indemnifying means it is for compensating, not for making a profit out of insurance. See, if you have taken insurance, suppose for your car, so don't think that by taking insurance you will be getting a new car. If the accident happens, you will be getting a new car. No. See, if the car is of a 3-year-old car, the insurance company will be giving you to get another car which is 3-year-old, not a new car. Otherwise, people will be making accidents and will be getting a new car always. No, it is not like that. And again, rule of subrogation is also applicable there. Suppose you have met with an accident. So Whenever the insurance company compensate you, they will be taking the damaged car to their custody, and they will be compensating you. They will be giving you amount of money what you have insured, or they will be saying all the conditions and all. So according to that, they will be paying you. Another thing, a rule of contribution is also applicable there. Rule of contribution. That means some dishonest people, they will be taking insurance with 2 or more companies. So in that case, whenever the insured event occurs, these all other suppose you have taken insurance with 2 companies, these 2 companies together will be paying you the compensation. From each company you will not be getting the complete compensation. So the rule of subrogation and the rule of contribution is also applicable whenever they compensate your risk. Then